A projectile is fired from the edge of a cliff 200 meters high with an initial speed of 30 meters per second at an angle of 45 degrees above the horizontal. Determine the total time in the air. So we're going to use y equals y naught plus v naught yt plus 1/2 at squared. So y naught is 200 meters. V naught in the y direction is 30 times the sine of 45, which is 21 meters per second. And of course the acceleration is negative 9.8 meters per second squared. So let's plug those things in. I'm going to leave out the units for now. So y, it's going down to the bottom, so that's 0. Starts at 200 meters plus 21t, and now half of negative 9.8 is negative 4.9 t squared. So here's our quadratic formula. So I'm going to change this around a bit, make it a little nicer, and I'll make it 4.9 t squared minus 21t minus 200. So all I did was multiply everything by -1. So now we can see this is our A, this is our B, and this is our C. So we're going to plug that into the equation. Negative B plus or minus the square root of B squared minus 4AC all over 2A. So let's plug those in. So we get negative 21, so that's positive 21, plus or minus the square root of 21 squared, and since it's negative and it's squared, the negative will go away, minus 4 times 4.9 times negative 200. And that is all over 2 times 4.9. So with the quadratic formula, you get two answers, right? Depending on if you use a negative or a positive right here. So the two answers you would get, one, you would get negative 4.5, and then you also get 28. Now, negative 4.5 seconds doesn't really mean anything, right? It can't be negative. So our answer has to be 28 seconds.